Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing a door from a Fiat Panda 150 series. When you open the door, over here there will be a bolt that you'll need to remove with an Allen key. Go ahead and remove this bolt. To unplug the front doors, from the top of this plastic here, push in as there's a clip underneath. First you'll need to unclip the top part, and then you'll do the same thing for the other side or to the bottom. There's one clip to the top and one clip to the bottom. And then to unplug, you'll need to pull on the blue section down, and this will detach the plug from the door. It's a bit hard to show and record at the same time, but you understand you need to pull that blue part down and it will detach. Now for the door itself, there is a 13mm nut to the bottom and to the top. You can use a spanner or a ratchet, and then there's this one over here. Once you remove these nuts, all you need to do is actually lift the door up, and that will detach the door from the vehicle. And to show you, the rear plug is held on by a clip here. Go in between and then pull these clips up if you want to remove the rear door, that is. This is how you unplug the rear door. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.